Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll explore Lombok library. If you want to know what is Lombok and how to use this Lombok library in your Spring Boot project, this video for you. If this content is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Without further delay, let's get started. Is Lombok. Lombok is a powerful Java library designed to minimize the amount of boilerplate code in your Java projects by integrating with your IDE and build tools. Lombok simplifies the development process through a set of annotations. That annotations automatically generate commonly used code construct such as getters, setters, constructors, and more. This is not only makes your code cleaner and more readable, but also significantly improves development efficiency. Now we'll see how to add this Lombok library into Spring Boot application and how to use those annotations. From start.spring.io, I'm creating Spring Boot project. So here I'm using moment and group ID I'm defining AJTech and artifact name Spring hyphen Lombok. I removed this package. I'm giving only com.ajtech. Now here in the dependency we need to add web and Lombok related dependency. So if you want to work with Lombok, then we need to import Lombok dependency. Now we'll generate this project and we'll import this project into ID. I have imported project into IntelliJ ID. So in this video, we'll see what are the annotations is available from Lombok and how to use in your Spring Boot project. So if you see my pom.xml file, so here added this Lombok dependency. And what are the benefits we'll get if you are using Lombok? Here you are no need to write getters, setters, methods for your class. So it is reduced boilerplate code. So those are all commonly used methods in every classes. And also it will help you on toString, equals and hash code methods also. So if you are using Lombok, that code also you can read easily. So reduce development time. Here you no need to write data setters and other commonly used code. You just focus on the business logic and easy to refactor. Whenever you are changing the field names in your code, you no need to change setters and getters. Automatically Lombok will take care on those changes. Now we'll start how to use annotations in our class. So here is my Spring Boot project. Just now I have created. Now we'll create one request class. So here just I'm concentrating on the Lombok only. So here we are not performing any kind of operations. So let's create one simple class, one request class. So here I'm creating product request. This is one request class. So first we'll define few fields: private, string, product name, private, string, product, category. Okay, let's consider there are two fields here available in my request class. So for this request class, if you want to use to set these values, we need setters and getters, right? So in this case, you can use annotation getter on the field level and annotation setter also. So like this, you can use annotation getter and annotation setter in the field level to generate automatically setters and getters. There is another way you can use annotation data. So this data also will take care of generating setters and getters for this. So as of now, we use annotation data, annotation getter, and setters. So if you see the annotation data, see again it is having getter, setters, required argument constructor, toString, and these are the few annotations you can use individually or you can use annotation data. Okay. Now, so we use annotation data. Now if you see annotation non-null, why we are using annotation non-null means so Lombok generates null check in the constructor. So how to use this non-null? You can go to your field, then you can apply annotation non-null. So it will generate null check on the constructor level. So another one you can use annotation sync throws. This annotation will use in the method level. If you are not declaring any exception, then it will throw those exception. And annotation builder. So if you want to create object for that particular class, you can use annotation builder. There is one more annotation builder. So if you want to create object for your request class, you can use annotation builder. So how to create object for this project product request? You can define product request equal to product request dot builder dot. Now you can use the fields, whatever the available fields in your class. So here we have product name. So what is the name you want to give? For example, I will give like iPhone, and after that there is one more field we are using category. So you can use product category. So it will comes under electronics. Now finally you can use dot build. So it will create object for your product request. If you are defining the builder, you can use this single line to create object for this product request. So now we can try few of the annotation related to the constructor. If you see no argument constructor, all argument constructor, required args constructor, how it will useful in your code. So if you want to create constructor with no argument, you can use annotation. We can use annotation no argument constructor. So it will create constructor with zero arguments. Another one is annotation or args constructor. It will create constructor with all argument. Annotation required arg constructor also there. If you will create the constructor with all the final fields. So if you see all the annotations starting from capital letters in the Lombok. So these are the annotations. It will help you in your Spring Boot application. So in this case, you have no need to write setters and getters and constructors also in your Spring Boot application. So all the commonly used calls automatically generated by Lombok library with the help of annotations. So if you want to integrate Lombok in your Spring Boot application at the time of creating this project, we need to add this Lombok dependency. So it will support both Maven as well as the Gradle. Thank you for watching. If this content is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more content.